Hey, we back at it with another video, y'all boy. Yeah, this one might be sus to y'all niggas, but I take good care of my hair, you feel me? Good care of my hair. That's why my shit look better than most of y'all niggas. They got nappy, nasty dreads and shit. I don't. Sweetheart, I don't. Well, you watching Zeus TV, and today we got a hair routine for y'all. Well, my curly hair routine. Let's get started. You feel me? So first thing you do is get in the shower. But today we're not gonna get in the shower. Alright? I'm gonna teach y'all the way to do it, like from the sink. So when you get in the shower, you gotta buy this. For all you niggers with nigger hair, buy this. It's good for your hair. Buy this. If you have nigger hair, buy this. Buy this too. The best conditioner in the world after this. This for y'all curly heads. This for nigger hair. And last but not least, please buy this. Please buy this. It makes your hair smell better. And it's a dehydration. It's a conditioner. You can leave it in, or you can just, like, basically what I do is put it on, you feel me? And leave it on for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, I take it out, wash my hair out. Yeah. But let's get to it. Let's get to it. That's all the products. I'll link all of them in the description. You can buy them all at Amazon, Walgreens, whatever. Walmart, Best Buy.
What?
Not Best Buy. I'm tweaking. But first, you gotta wash your hair. Get this shit wet. If it's dreads, if it's curls, get it wet. So we're gonna do that right now. I'm gonna get it wet. Do not use hot water on your hair. Do not. Make sure it's lukewarm. Do not use hot water in your hair. You do that, it'll fuck your shit up. Lukewarm. So let's get to it, you feel me? I'll be right back. So you see how they starting to curl and shit at the bottoms and shit? Well, that's because I have natural curls and shit. For you niggas who don't, do this process and twist your hair at night. It would work. I don't know for all you nigger hair. White boys, this ain't for you. You can't do it. All you gotta do is wash your hair. If it's not naturally curly, you're white. You cannot get it curly. You have straight hair. You cannot get it curly. You cannot. For all you Chinese niggas too, you cannot get it curly. If it's not naturally curly in your jeans and shit, you cannot get it curly. Alright? Alright, so first step, we're gonna apply the shampoo. Herbal essences, you feel me? Argan oil. Okay? Put a lot. You gotta put a lot. Especially if you have a lot of hair. This for y'all wave niggas too. For the ones who have waves, put a lot.
This don't smell good. It smells like candy. I need to go for it. It smells like candy. You see this? This is not even enough yet. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Put a little bit more. Yeah. We did that. Alright? Alright, now, massage it through your hair. Just massage your hair. It feels good, to be honest. You see this? I got more hair than your girlfriend, okay? For all you black females out there, please catch up. If you're not mixed, like, why do I have more hair than you? You see my ponytail? You see my freaking ponytail? Oh my god, I got more hair than your nigga too. Unless you like skin or some type of mixed shit. Some of them niggas got, they got good hair. Alright, so now,
What I'm gonna do is get in this damn thing. Get in the bath. Gonna get in the bath. I'm gonna wash my hair. So I'm gonna go rinse my hair out. Okay? I'm gonna rinse my hair out. Remember, lukewarm, not hot.
I make a drip, yeah. Then I just dip, yeah. Pull out the whip, yeah. Now all of these bitches gon' flip, yeah. I'm smoking that gas, I'm smoking gelato. Cake up a bitch who will fuck or will swallow. I said the trick so these niggas gon' follow. Drill like a pool, come and fuck me like Rocco. See, look, I done moved up.
Don't completely rinse it. Do not completely rinse it. You see that? You see them? You see them curls? You see that? You see that? You see that? You see that? If these weren't dreads, I'd have your girl wet by now. I'm sorry to tell you. Some girls are attracted to curls and shit. Forget all that wave stuff. I got it too. But yeah. So you see all them curls and shit? You see this? Remember, you gotta keep doing this. It doesn't come like that. Especially if your hair not natural. My shit's natural, so don't get mad, okay? If it doesn't work in 2 weeks or 2 months, don't get mad. So now what we're gonna do, with your hair still kind of wet, you're gonna put the conditioner in, but not this one. I'm gonna put this one in. We're gonna leave it in for 5 minutes. Put this one in for 5 minutes. And go like eat Takis or get on Fortnite or something. Alright, so we're gonna put this much. If you can see it. I'm gonna put this much. I always want to slip up my hair. So you gotta start from the back. And bring everything up. I probably got waves in the back already.
Boy!
Look at that. Stop. But yeah. I have a lot of hair, so I'm gonna keep applying. For you bald people, stop watching this. It's not gonna work. Seriously, no bald people. Leave now. Like dead ass. A lot of you will say this is peas up front. Trust me, it's not. Oh my god. I should just cut my hair off, ain't it? No, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Ooh, I almost fell there. Shake it. Alright, now wash your hands, because this stuff is sticky. You gotta wash it clean. Alright. Done washing it. Do that. We'll play Fortnite. Nah, I'm gonna finish these applications and then I'll get right back to you. 5 minutes. Alright, so we're back. It's been 5 to 10 minutes, and as you can see, my hair is still wet and it's bouncy. You can shake it still, it's bouncy. So what we're gonna do now is rinse this out and put the conditioner in. I'm gonna put this one in instead, cause nah, I'll put this one in because this one smells good and you feel me? This one, if you want to put this in, no lie, if you're like allergic to coconuts and stuff, do not put this on. If like this can make your face break out. Like it made me break out a couple times till I got used to it. But only use this if I'm like going out to like parties, not parties, but like special events. And this one, you can play ball in this. It won't drip on your face. This will drip on your face. So yeah, let's get in the shower and rinse all this out. Let's rinse. So guys, hair is rinsed rinsed out. They tell you to put a little bit like this, dime size in your hand, which is basically like this. Don't do this. Waste that shit. I'm not even gonna front. This is how much you really need, depending on your hair length. My hair is probably like 6 to 5 inches. Yeah, it's like 6 to 5 inches. So from 3 to 5, apply a lot. Like probably a ball size. And I'll start from the back. These ones already smelling good. Only if you could smell it through here. Females don't like nigga with bad hair. Trust me. I was there before. Once. Not anymore. If you show a girl that you can take care of your hair, trust me. You'll be good for it. You'll be good for it.
Did you do a video?
Bro, move, bro. But back to what I'm saying. Females don't like niggas with bad hair. It's sad. Ask any female. They don't like niggas with bad hair. You can ask your mother. They don't like niggas with bad hair. And if they do, they got poor quality of men. No front. I'm sorry, but if your mother or your girl accepts you with bad hair, she don't love you. I need a haircut, no front. I need a haircut. I need to shave my little beard off. A little nudge patch. Alright. So that's in. Yeah, as you can see, that's in. I need to apply a little bit more because my hair is crazy retarded and it does what it wants. After you do this, shake it. After you're done shaking it, feel me? Find your brush.
Brush your eyebrows. Brush your little patch of mustache and chin hair. And a little face beard. Push your hair back. Not only females have edges now. Brush your edges. Especially if you have curly hair. Brush your edges or your curls, whatever. Yeah. Brush your curls. Yeah, brush the back hair. The back of your hair should be the curliest
Or the waviest part of your hair. Because that's where it all comes from. Because it comes from back here. I don't know why. But it comes from back here and goes up front. That's why when you start in waves, it really like start in the back even more. Then on everywhere else around your hair. Depending on your hair texture. If you have nigga hair, it might take you a couple years before you can see wave patterns. Alright. This is one conditioner that doesn't get messy and leave white spots in your hair. It just make your hair look oily. And if your hair don't have oils, it's dry and stuff, do this. You see all these curls still? You see that? Yeah. Guys, and girls, that's all for today. I got another video in a couple of hours or so. And basically, this is how you get it done. Like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that. Click that button. Click that button. I'm watching you. Yeah. Click that button. Subscribe. All the music and everything that I use is in the description. So if you want, you don't have to, because you could go in the street and look ugly. If you want, click all them links. If you ain't already doing it, click all them links and go buy these stuff. Like, it might cost a couple dollars and stuff, but it'll benefit you. Ask anything, bro. I know y'all like Latinos and stuff. They love a nigga with good hair. Trust me.